Hello my dear students, welcome to mathematics classes for 9th standard. We are doing chapter number 2, that is polynomials, and this is part 9 of this chapter in which we are going to solve all the questions of exercise 2.4 which is from NCERT book. So let's start the video with your Jerry sir. Hello students, we are starting part number 9 of polynomials in which we are going to solve exercise 2.4 remaining questions of NCERT. So today we are going to solve question number 3. As you can see here, find the value of k. We have to find the value of k if x minus 1 is a factor. See, they are already saying that x minus 1 is a factor. Decide that it is a factor of px. Px means given polynomial. Okay, in each of the following cases. So, okay, if x minus 1 is a factor of the given polynomial, so what we have to do? We have to use factor theorem. In place of x, we will put this value after putting how? Just like that. X minus 1 equals to 0, so x value came 1. Now this value, what we can, place of x we can put 1 here. So what we can get the value of k. Now many students are having confusion that sir, it is a factor theorem or remainder theorem. See, remainder theorem and factor theorem is almost same only. For finding remainder we are using the same trick, and for checking that whether the given factor number is a factor of the given polynomial or not, so same thing we are trying. Okay, so now just you can see here what we have done. We have put x minus 1, that is given as a factor, we have put equals to 0, so we got value of x as 1. Now this value we can put in the given polynomial. So wherever x is there, we will put 1. So x square means 1 square plus x means plus 1 plus k. So what value come? Just tell me. Here what value will come? 1 square will remain 1 plus 1 plus k. So it will come what? 2 plus k. Okay, what come? 2 plus k. Now we can say that this px is equals to 0. So it means p1 equals to 0. What? P1 equals to 0. Now what is p1? P1 is equals to this. What? 2 plus k. So 2 plus k equals to 0. So k value is what? K value will come minus 2. This is the value of k. Now we can try the next part also. But I will not do second part. Second part you will try by yourself. I will move towards the third part. Okay, let's do third part now. So in third part, px equals to kx square minus root 2x plus 1 is given. Now already they said in the question that x minus 1 is a factor. So we can say that if x minus 1 is a factor of the given polynomial, so what we can say, that x minus 1 equals to 0. So x value is coming 1. So this is what? Our factor. So if already they said that x minus 1 is the factor of the given polynomial, so we can say this px will be equals to what? 0. It will definitely come equal to 0. Now what is px? P1. So p1 equals to 0. And what is the value of p1? Just put this value, that kx square. So x means p1, 1 square, minus root 2 will root 2, x means 1, okay, plus 1 equals to 0. Now what value will come? Just tell me. Hey, just check. K multiply by 1 square. So what will come? 1 square only. Okay. So it will come k 1 ja. See, k 1 square 1. 1 to k. Minus root 2 1 ja. Root 2 only. And plus 1 equals to 0. Now what will come? Just check here. Here we have to find the value of k now. So we will keep k here only. And this root 2 minus root 2 we will take towards right hand side. So it becomes plus root 2. Or it becomes plus root 2. Okay, it is plus root 2. And this plus 1 will become minus 1. So our k value came root 2 minus 1. Okay. So in this way we have found the value of k, that is root 2 minus 1. So I hope it is clear to you. Now next question is very important. Just check what is written. Question 4, factorize. In NCERT book they have given question number 4, factorize. Only word factorize. You have to factorize a given polynomial. Now what is just given? Just check. 12x square minus 7x plus 1. Now question arises, sir, it is not given that x minus 1 is a factor, x plus 1 is a factor. Nothing is given here, so how we will factorize it? See, factor means already I told you. Like if I am talking about factor of 24. What I am talking about? 24. So 4 multiplied by 6 will come 24. So it means it is a product. What is this 24? It is a product. Product of what? Product of these two, 4 and 6. And 4 and 6 will call what? Factors. What they will call? They will call factors. Product. It is C. Okay, product. So what is these are? 4 and 6 are factor, because after multiplying these two we are getting this product na. So same here, by we have to find here factors of this one. So how we can find out? So here we will use one term, that is splitting the middle terms. What? Splitting the middle term. This method we will use here. Okay, splitting the middle term. Okay, this method we will use here. Now how to do this question, sir? So see, I told you splitting the middle term. So when we are using this method, splitting the middle term, so how we can solve? First we have to check the first term. It is 12x square. So out of in this 12x square, what is the number? 12 is the digit here. What is the last digit here? 1. This is constant. So 12 into 1, what will come? Multiply the first and the last term. Okay, so what will come? Just leave the variables. So what is coming? We can do. Here the product is coming 12. Okay. Now pay attention towards my words, what I am telling you. This product is coming 12 now, so keep it aside. Now, so we have to do the factors of this 12. This is rough work only. Okay. This is also rough work. Okay. Now we are doing the factors of 12. Just pay focus here. What we are doing? We are doing the factors of this 12 because 12 ones are 12, no? So 12 factor 2 6 are 12, 2 3s are 6, and 3 ones are 3. So 2 multiply by 2 multiply by 3. These are the factors of this 12. Now we have to form them into two numbers. Right now these are three numbers. We have to form them into two numbers so that their plus or minus should come 7x. Now 2 2s are 4. Okay, 2 2s are 4. So 4 and 3. 4 3s are 12. Okay, 12 is coming. Multiplication 12 is coming. But 4 and 3 plus karo. Kitna aega? 4 plus 3 7. Yes, 7 is coming and we need 7 only. So it means here we can write what? 12x square, and in place of this minus we will write minus here, and then we will open the bracket. What we are doing? We are open the bracket, and in place of this 7, what we will write? 4 plus 3. I told you, no, we have to check two numbers whose sum or subtraction, whose sum or difference should come the middle term. Middle term is coming 4 plus 3. Here sum is coming 4 plus 3 7, and 4 3s are 12. That the 12 ones are 12. That product is also coming. Now we will close the bracket. In place of 7 we have written 4 plus 3. X will come as it is, and plus 1 will come as it is. Okay, clear or not? Now what we will do? 12x square, write as it is, 12x square minus 4 into x. So what will come? Minus 4x. Plus minus minus only, 3 into x 3x, and at last plus 1. So we got this number. Now what to do? We have to check the common number. See, x square x, so x is common here. Okay, and 4 and 12, are they coming in one table? Just think. Yes, in 4 table 12 is coming, so we can take 4 also as a common. So we have taken 4x common. Now I will open the bracket. By which number I should multiply 4 so that I can get 12? Definitely 4 3s are 12. 4 3s are 12 is coming. Okay, 12 came. Now what I need? X is there. I need x square. So how much I should multiply? I should multiply this x into x square came. So 4 3 are 12 and x into x square. So we got the first term, 12x square. Now I need what? Minus 4x. So by which number I should multiply 4x so that I get 4x? 1 only. So I get 3x minus 1. See, 4 3 are 12 and x into x square. Then 4x 1 ja 4x. So this 12x minus 4x term come here. Okay, now what left? 3x minus 3x plus 1. Now see, whenever we are doing this type of things, no, so we have to do in this way that this thing should be repeat. So we can write 3x minus 1 again here. By which number I should multiply 3x minus 1 so that here come minus 3x? Definitely by minus 1, because minus 1 into 3x minus 3x minus 1 into minus 1. See, minus 1 into minus 1, so it will come plus 1. So I have done. It means, what are the factors? First, what is common? 3x minus 1, 3x minus 1 common. So I will write only one time. 3x minus 1. And next term is what? 4x and this minus 1, which is not in bracket. Minus 1. So here we can say these are the factors. 3x minus 1, 4x minus 1 of 12x square minus 7x plus 1. So we have done what? Factorization. We have factorized this one. We have factorized this expression by splitting the middle term. So I hope it is clear to you. Now the third part is what we are having, 6x square plus 5x minus 6. So same thing we will do. First we multiply this one, first term, and the last term. It means this only not variable. So 6 into 6 will come 36. So it means we need product as 36. Now what is the middle term? 5x. So what I need? Two numbers whose sum should be 5. I need two numbers whose sum should be 5 and whose sum should be 5 and whose product should be what? Whose product should be 36. This thing only I have to find out now. This thing I have done to just explain you, okay? Don't do this in exam. Now I am solving downside. Okay, so I need two numbers whose factor is 36. Okay, whose multiplication is 36. So I have to find the factor of 36 only. We can say 2 18s are 36. Okay, 2 1s are 2, then left 16 2 16, 2 9s are 18, and then 3 3s are 9, and 3 1s are 3. So we are getting factor 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 3. These are the factors which we are getting. Okay, now how we can do, just think, if we can do 2 into 2 4, 3 into 3 9. Okay, 9 4 36 is coming, but other things are coming. Just check. No, not is coming. We can do one thing. If we can do like 2 plus 3 5 and 2, no 4 9 is 36. Yes, 4 9 is 36, and 9 minus 4 5 can come. Here what we can do, 9 minus 4. We can do subtraction. 9 minus 4, so it will come 5, the middle term. Okay, we can, because either plus or either minus, we need 5, and its multiplication should come 36, which is coming here. So we can try this one. So what we can write, 6x square like as it is, plus outside, and inside what we can write, 9 minus 4. Why? Because 9 minus 4 5 will come, middle term, and 9 4 is 36, that is coming product. Outside x, see I have written only in the place of 5. Okay, then minus 6 is there. Now 6x square plus 9 into x, 9x, this is minus plus minus only, 4 into x, 4x, minus 6. Okay, we got this number. Now 6 and 9, anything common between them? Just check. We can say 3 is common between them. 3 2 is 6 and 3 3 is 9. Okay, 3 2 is 6 and 3 3 is 9. But from this the answer will come. Okay, let's check. If we are doing in this way, 6 and 6, then also will not come. Let's try. We are taking common here 6 and 9. We are taking common 3, because in 3 table both are coming. So 3x I am taking common. 6x square and 9, because in 3 table 9 also coming, 6 also coming, and x square and x, what is common? X is common. Bracket on. By which number I should multiply 3 so that I can get what? 6. Just think about this number. Now 3 multiply by 2, so I can get 6. Okay, x multiply by what to get x square? X only. Okay, plus by which number I should multiply so that I can get 9x? X is already there. I should multiply only by 9. Only by 3, sorry. 3 2 is 6, x into x, x square. Then 3 into 3, 9, or x is already there, so it becomes 9x. So we got this term, 6x square plus 9x. Okay, we got this term. Now I need minus 4x minus 6. So by I should write here, this is the same number again, 2x plus 3. Okay, because then only common will come. Now by which number I should multiply 2x so that it becomes minus 4x. Right now it is plus, so I should multiply by minus 1 only. So 2 into 2, it can become 4, and x is already there. Okay, that's good. I got number. Then minus 2 into 3, it becomes minus 6, and we need minus 6 only. So we got this term or not? Let's check. 2 2s are 4, and x is there, 4x. So minus 4x. Yes, we got. Then minus 2 multiplied by plus 3, so it becomes minus 6. That thing only we need. So we got our number. So what common things are there? 2x plus 3, 2x plus 3, 2 times. So we will write only one time, that is 2x plus 3. 2x plus 3, and then what left? 3x minus 2, which is not in bracket. 3x minus 2. So these two are the factors of the given fraction or given expression. Okay, that is 6x square plus that is what? 6x square plus 5x minus 6. So if you factorize this one, so what will come? 2x plus 3, 3x minus 2. I hope it is clear to you. Now you can try the other parts. So now students, we will move towards question number 5. But before moving towards question number 5, I want to tell you one thing, that this question is totally different from this question. Yes, some little part will do out of this question only, but it is different from this. How you will identify? Because question is same, factorize. Just check here in question 4. 1, 2, 3, only 3 terms. 1, 2, 3, 3 terms. 1, 2, 3, 3 terms. 1, 2, 3, 3 terms. In all parts, there were only 3 terms. In question number 5, just check how many terms are there. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 terms are there. So the splitting the middle terms you will try in this question where the 3 terms are given. Okay, and here you can see this is square one. That's why we got two factors. Square. That's why we got two factors. So in all these question number 4, all parts we will get two factors. But here there is cubic. It is a cubic polynomial. See, x cube is there. So here we have to find three factors. How many factors? Three factors. Remember this thing, okay? So this question we will do a little differently. Let's do it. So as you can see here, x cube minus 2x square minus x plus 2, we are doing first part. So here nothing is there before x. If it is there, so nothing is there, we can assume 1. So 1 into 2, it will come 2 only. What come 2? Now what are the factors of 2? 2 is a prime number, so factors of 2 are only 2. These are 1 and 2. Factors I am asking, in which table 2 is coming? One table only, and 2 in 2 table itself will come, because 2 is a prime number. Okay, so 1 and 2 are the prime numbers. Now what we will do? I told you this is a different question. We have to try it by a different method. So we have to check that whether 1 is a polynomial, 1 is a factor of the given polynomial or not. How we can check it? See, factors are coming 1 and 2, na? So two factors are coming 1 and 2. So we can say that by trial method we will try here. What? By trial method. By trial method. What we will do? Just check here. I told you we will do it by different way. So by trial method, what we will do? We can say 1 is there, so we can say x plus 1 is a factor of the given polynomial. X plus 1 is a given polynomial of the given polynomial. So what is the value of x? So x value will come here minus 1. What value came? Minus 1. So it means if minus 1 we will put here, so we can get one factor here by as we have done remainder theorem now. So let's put minus 1 in this one. If this value becomes 0, so we can say that yes, x plus 1 is the factor of the given polynomial. If this value becomes 0, so let's put minus 1 in the given polynomial. The given polynomial was px, it means p minus 1 we will write now, and wherever x is there we will write minus 1. So minus 1 whole cube, then minus 2 multiplied by x square, it means minus 1 whole square, then minus x, it means minus 1. See, minus, that is a minus sign, and the number is itself minus. That's why again I put bracket minus 1. At last plus 2. Let's see what will come. Minus 1 whole cube. Negative number and power is odd, so answer will come in negative only. Okay, then minus 2 multiplied by what? 2 multiplied by plus 1 only. Why? Because minus 1, negative number, power is even, so answer will come in positive only. Minus into minus, it become plus 1 plus 2. Okay, let's solve. Minus 1 minus 2 multiplied by minus 1, minus 2 multiplied by plus 1, so it will come minus 2 only, plus 1 plus 2. So what will come? Just check. Minus 1, say plus 1 cut, and from minus 2 we can cut plus 2. So what left? 0 left only. What left? 0. Now here 0 left, so we can say yes, x plus 1, what we can say, therefore x plus 1 is the factor of px. Px means the given polynomial, because here value became 0 now, so we can say x plus 1 is a factor. Now we got one factor, but I told you it is cubic polynomial, so we have to find three factors. One factor is okay, one factor is x plus 1, but what about other factors? So how we will find the other two factors? By dividing this whole polynomial by x plus 1. Why we are dividing? Because we are saying that it is a factor. We said now it is a factor of the given polynomial, so it means when we will divide this polynomial by this, so the remainder will left 0. So let's divide this by long division method. So now we are dividing the given polynomial by the factor, that is x plus 1, which we found out, x plus 1. Now let's divide, and remember we have to apply long division method only. Okay, now by which number I should multiply x so that I can get x cube? It is x cube, it is x only, single one power is there, so I have to multiply by x square. 2 plus 1, so it will become x cube. Okay, then I have to multiply this x square from this one also. So first plus, and then 1 into x square, it becomes x square only. Now sign will change, plus will become minus, and this is also become minus. So you can see here x cube minus x cube, it will cut. So what left here downside? Minus x square and minus 2x square. See, both are same variable, minus 2x square minus square, so we can add them. Minus 2x square minus x square, it means minus 2x square minus x square. So minus minus plus, so 2x square plus 1x square, तो कितना होगा? It will become 3x square. How much? Minus 3x square, and this will come downside minus x. Okay, Now by which I should multiply x, this given divisor, so that it become 3x square. See, first I need number, na? Any number is there between before that x? No. So I should multiply by 3. But what sign? I need minus. So I have to write minus here only. Minus 3. Okay. Minus 3 into x, minus 3x will come. But I need x square. So I have to multiply by 1x also. So now it become minus 3x square. Now this minus 3x will multiply this plus 1 also. So plus minus minus only. Minus 3x. Now sign will change again. The downside one which was minus, it become plus. It was minus, so it will also become plus, because minus minus plus. Okay. Now we can cut this 3x square from this plus 3x square. How much left? Minus x plus 3x. Both are same variable, same term. So 3x minus x. How much left? 2x. Which sign will come? 3x sign. What is the sign of 3x? Now plus sign. Don't say minus. Now it become plus. So plus 2x left. Now what will come downside? This 2 will come downside. So what is that? Plus 2. Okay. Now by which I should multiply x plus x, so that I can get 2x. जाहिर सी बात है, by 2 only. So 2 into x, 2x. Okay, plus 2 ones are 2. Now just check. Same number came. Now sign change and cut. Sign change and cut. So what left? Just tell me what left. Only left 0. So it means yes, these two are the factors of the given polynomials. What are the factors? So how we can write? We can write in this way: x cube minus 2x square minus x plus 2 equals to, one factor is this one, x plus 1. Another factor is what? This one, quotient also, no? X square minus 3x plus 2. Did anyone have doubt that, sir, why this is also a factor? If you have doubt, let me show you one thing. If I am dividing 24 by 4, so 4 6 are 24. So factors of 24 are 4 and 6 both. Okay, and the same with this one, these two. So same, this one also factor and this is also factor. Okay, but I told you it is a cubic polynomial. We have to find how many factors? 3 factor, but these are 2 factors only. Now look at this one. X plus 1, we will keep it as it is only. Look at this one. X square minus 3x plus 2. You have seen this type of question in question number 4 where 3 terms are there. So we can split more. We can factorize this one also. How? X square minus 3x plus 2. Here nothing is written, so at last 2 is there. What are the factors of 2? 2 factors are 1 and 2 itself. So by adding, the number should come 3. Adding or subtracting, the number should come 3. Or by multiplying, it should come 2. So 1 plus 2, yes, coming. So how we can write? We can write as big bracket on x square minus, in place of 3, what we can write? We can write 2 plus 1. Definitely we can write or not? Just tell me. Yes, we can write 2 plus 1. Then bracket on bracket close, x plus 2 and bracket close. Now what will come? X plus 1 will remain like this only. Bracket, big bracket open. X square minus 2 into x, 2x, minus plus minus 1 into x, x plus 2. This thing only. Now we have to find the common one. So x plus 1, you can write as it is, x plus 1 and bracket, and then x square and 2x. What is common? X only. What is the common between x square and x? X, no? So x into x, x square minus 2, because 2 into x minus 2x. Now same thing we have to write. We need to find here also. So x minus 2 I have written already. Now by which number I should multiply x, so it becomes minus x. Definitely by minus 1 now. Minus 1 into x, minus 1 into minus 2, it become plus 2. So we got the number. So here we got our factors x plus 1. Now what is common between x minus 2, x minus 2? X minus 2 and x minus 1 and x minus 1. These are the 3 factors which we need. Okay, these are the 3 factors of the given polynomial, that is x cube minus 2x square minus x plus 2. If you multiply all these 3 together, so it will come the same thing only. So in this way we have done our first part of question number 5. I know it is lengthy, but yes, you have to do practice of this type of questions. Yes, it is lengthy, so that's why it is come off more marks also. So let's try another part. Let's do the last part now. Okay, so in fourth part also we will do same thing which we have done in first part. First 2 into 1, first and the last. 2 ones are 2. So what are the factors of 2? The factors of 2 are 1 and 2 only. Now what we should do? So we have to use trial and error method. So by trial method, what we can do, we can use here, if we do x plus 1, because 1 is there, first we can try by 2 also. First to try by 1. So x plus 1 equal to 0, it means x value will become -1. Now we'll put -1 here. If after putting -1 in place of y, sorry, we have done x plus 1, it is y, so we have to write y here only, y plus 1, and here also y. Okay, so now y value came -1. So in place of y, if I am writing -1 and it becomes 0, so we can say that it is a factor. Y plus 1 is a factor of this one. Let's see. P y equals to 2y cube plus y square minus 2y minus 1. So in place of y I am writing -1. Just check value will come or not. Plus y means -1 square minus 2 into -1 minus 1. Okay, now let's see what is coming. 2 minus 1 into cube. See, it is minus, negative number, power is odd, so answer will come in negative only. Plus negative number, power is even, so answer will come in positive, so 1 only. Minus 2 multiplied by -1, so minus minus plus, so plus 2. At last -1. Okay, any doubt? I hope no doubt. Now solve more. So 2 ones are 2, so minus sign will come because it is minus, plus 1 and plus 2, and at last -1. So from -1 we can cut +1, and from +2 we can cut -2. What left? 0. What left? 0. It means we can divide the given polynomial by y plus 1 and just check what factor will come. So we have seen that when we are putting in place of y -1, so its value is coming 0. It means y plus 1 is a factor of the given polynomial, that is py. Okay, so it means now we have to use division method, long division method, and we have to divide the given polynomial by y plus 1. So let's divide it. What is our equation? The equation is, let's check the question. The equation was 2y cube, okay, plus y square minus 2y minus 1. This was the equation. So we have to divide this whole we have to divide by y plus 1. Let's divide by y plus 1. Okay, now y cube is there. What is there? Y cube. So by which number I should multiply y so that it becomes y cube? Just tell me. And I need 2 also, 2y cube. So I have to multiply first by 2. So 2 into y, 2y. But I need 2y cube. So how much less is there? 3 is there, 1 is there. Only 1y is there. Here 3y is there. Y cube is there. So I need multiply by y square. 2y square into 2y. So it becomes 2y cube. Okay. Then this 2y square multiply this 1 also plus 1. So plus 1 into 2y square, it means 2y square. So how much it will left? Sign will change. It will become minus, plus it will also become minus. So 2y cube will cut from 2y cube. How much left? Y square, and it is minus 2y square. Both are same term. So 2y square, it is minus, it is plus, minus plus minus. So from 2y square we have to subtract 1y square. So how much left? Only y square. But which sign? Minus sign. So I have to put minus sign. Then this I have to write downside, that is minus 2y. Okay, now our dividend become this one. So I have to think now by which number I should multiply this y so that it become y square, and that is minus also. So to multiply by minus only, minus what? Y only, because y into y square. So minus y into y, it will become minus y square, and minus plus minus between, and 1 into y, so it becomes y only. Now again I have to subtract. My sign will change. It was minus, so it become plus. It was minus, so it also become plus. It cut left, minus 2y plus y. Minus plus minus, so 2y subtract y. So how much left? Y only left, but sign minus because it is bigger than this y. Now what left downside? It becomes minus y. So minus y minus 1. By which number I should multiply y plus 1 so that it become minus y plus 1. It was y, I need y only, but this I need minus, it is plus. So to multiply by minus 1. So it become minus y, and minus 1 into plus 1, it become minus 1 only. Okay, now I have to again sign change. It become plus, it is also become plus. So minus y plus y, cut, minus 1 plus 1, cut. How much left? 0 left. Okay, so what are the factors of this dividend of this given equation? Just we have to write 2y cube. You can put one line here. 2y cube plus y square minus 2y minus 1 equals to y plus 1. That is the first factor. Starting we found out, and the second factor is what? This one, quotient, that is 2y square minus y minus 1. Okay, now as I told you, it is a cubic polynomial, so we have to find out three factors. So y plus 1 will remain here like this. This one we have to check. It was 2y square minus y minus 1. So same thing which we have done in question number 4, we will try here also. So 2 multiply by 1, what will come? 2. So factor, it means we need 2. What are the factors of 2? 1 and 2 only. Okay, 1 and 2. So 1 plus 2. No, we need 1 only. How much I need in middle? 1. Because 1 ja 1 y ja y only. So 2 minus 1. Okay, 1 will come, and 2 1s are 2. Okay, our product is coming 2. 2 1s are 2, and 2 minus 1, that is the middle term, is also coming. So I can write here 2y square, and place of this minus 1y, I can write what? 2 minus 1. So it become 1 only, and at last outside 1 y, then minus 1 and close. So I can solve here now. Just pay focus here. Okay, now equals to y plus 1 will remain like this only, and this 2y square will remain like this. Minus 2 into y, minus 2y, minus minus plus, so plus 1y. No, I should write y only. Why to write 1y, and then minus 1. Okay, this thing left. Now equals to y plus 1 like this only. What will come here? What is the common between 2y square and minus 2y? Just tell me. In between 2y square minus 2y, what is common? 2y. Just set 2y. So I can write 2y common. So by which I should multiply 2y, so it becomes y square. Y only. Then minus, I need 2y. So 1 ja 2y into 1, it becomes minus 2y only. Then now y minus 1 I need here also. So I should multiply, I need plus y. It is plus y, so plus 1 only. Plus 1, 1 into 1, 1 into y plus y, and 1 into minus y, minus 1. So we got factor, that is y plus 1, then y minus 1, and at last 2y and plus 1. 2y plus 1. So these are the factors of the given polynomial. So I hope it is clear to you. So we have done all the parts of the questions. See, second and third I have left, so that one done by you only. So now we have completed our exercise 2.4. So now you can try the other questions. See, you have to do practice. Without practice, you will forget all these things. So you have to do practice, because maths is based upon practice only. So I hope you will try the remaining questions, and we will complete this part 4 in part 9, in which we are doing exercise 2.4. Thank you, students. So at last, I just want to say, be at home, be safe, and God bless you all.